Alrighty guys, this is Frosty. These are the parts to the cold air intake. There's the inductions. There's the tube. There's the two rubber grommets and all their bands. There's the hose that you can use if you wish. I like this because it's already installed, and all you have to do is take the top of your air cleaner off, mount that to the end of it, connect that to your throttle body, hook that up to your PCV, and you're golden. In actuality, there's only 3 bolts on this holding it down. One clamp end, another clamp end. You unhook your PCV from your big resonator. You tilt your resonator up to the left and it slides right off of the mounting bracket. There's nothing holding it on. And then you just reattach all this stuff. This is just showing you the parts. There's the box it came in. And I will show the install or stages of it, because I'm trying to do it by myself. And just stay tuned. This all goes on a 2021 Yukon Dinali XL. Thanks for watching, guys. This comes from Corsa, by the way. Corsa has it. Cold air induction has it. K&N has one. But the K&N, you change the box. S&B, you change the box. Corsa, I think you just change the cap like this. And also the cold air induction, you just change the cap. Alrighty. Thanks for watching, guys.